Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the moisture sensor mounting bracket in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit and needle nose pliers. Unthread the 3 screws securing the filter cover and remove it. Unthread the screw holding the bracket. Now unplug the bracket and remove it. Use needle nose pliers to depress the tabs on the sensors and remove them. To install the new mounting bracket, insert the ends of the sensors into the bracket and snap them into place. Plug in the bracket and seat the pin into the dryer. Rethread the screw to secure it. Next, align and slide the filter assembly into place within the dryer. Rethread the 3 screws to secure. And your dryer should be ready for use.